Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757, working on an expedition, but I thought I'd make a quick, good video for you. If you're in doubt your battery is bad or low or whatever the case may be because your car won't start, you always hook it up to the positive and the negative. This little gizmo, which is very inexpensive, I will have in my Amazon link when this video comes out. If you're going to Walmart, you get a battery because it's much cheaper, which 9 times out of 10 it always will be. This is your battery size. Take a picture of your old battery. This is your battery size, your cold cranking amps, and the cranking amps. Make sure these three match, or these two are greater than what you already have. But this is what's going to fit in your vehicle. I'm doing it this way because it's the best view. Work with me. And this one is 65-3. And as long as you have this size battery, do not go lower than these two numbers. If you go higher, you won't ever go wrong. And now we're going to do this is a no start condition. I doubt it's the battery, but I just want to go through and let you know how I do this. Okay, so we're going to do a battery test. This does a starter test, and this does an alternator test. Regular battery, cold cranking amps is 650. So we're going to go down, enter. Yep, saying connection. Let's see, let's try this again. Now it's testing. It says replace. We're going to do this again. We're going to exit. Let's talk about connections. So let's change the connection real quick. There's the battery back. We're going to do this one more time together. I always do it twice to make sure I have the correct information. Enter. It's testing. And now it's saying good battery. That's why I wanted to do a second test, because it kept moving. These pros were moving on accident. With that being said, so we're going to exit out of this. And we're going to check. Oh, we're going to get out of this altogether. Disconnect. Now we're going to do a check in vehicle. We're going to go to the cranking, which is the starting. Or test is the starter. We're going to hit enter. Please turn off engine before pressing enter. We're going to hit test. Now it says start engine. So I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to start the engine. Okay, nothing happened. Let's see what the test says. It's saying start engine. Guess the starter ain't no good. It does not start. That tells me that the starter is probably bad, or there is a security issue with this Ford. This is just a mechanic tip of the simple things you can do with this machine. It also tests out alternators too. This link will be in the description when the video comes out. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.